Welcome to our video on building a strong online dating profile for Black seniors. In this video, we will share some valuable tips and tricks to help you make a great impression and find the love you deserve in the digital world. The first step to building a strong online dating profile is selecting the right platform. We will guide you through the different options available for Black seniors and help you choose the one that suits your preferences and goals best. Your dating profile bio is your chance to showcase your personality. We will provide expert advice on how to create a captivating bio that accurately represents you and attracts potential matches. Choosing the right photos is crucial in online dating. We will give you actionable tips on selecting flattering and authentic photos that grab attention and increase your chances of making meaningful connections. Sharing your interests and hobbies is a great way to connect with like-minded individuals. We will show you how to effectively showcase your passions in your dating profile, increasing your chances of finding a compatible partner. Building trust is essential in online dating. We will discuss the importance of being open and honest in your profile, and give you guidance on how to convey your intentions and expectations clearly. Once your profile is set up, it's time to start engaging with potential matches. We will share effective strategies for initiating conversations, maintaining interest, and taking the next steps towards a meaningful connection. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and tools to build a strong online dating profile as a Black senior. Get out there, be yourself, and embrace the exciting world of online dating. Remember, love knows no age.